Have you ever wondered how much money a simple travel app can actually make? Well, in this screenshot, you can see the proof that this travel app from the App Store is generating serious revenue. And here's the crazy part. I built an exact copy of this app without writing a single line of code, just using one AI tool. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process of how I recreated the entire Going Solo travel app. We're talking every single feature, the user interface, payment integration with Stripe, everything. Most people think that you need years of coding experience or a team of developers to build something like this, but that's completely wrong. The truth is, there is one AI coding tool that's so powerful right now that it can build entire applications for you while you just sit back and give it instructions. Plus, I'll show you the exact prompts and strategies that got me these results in record time. My name is Cindy, and I've been testing AI coding tools for months to find the absolute best one for building apps without any technical knowledge. What I discovered will completely change how you think about app development. So let's start right away. The AI tool that we are going to use is Replit. With my code Cindy, you'll get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. The link is in the description down below. Let's be honest, when you're traveling, the last thing that you want is to juggle a bunch of scattered tools just to stay organized, right? One app for maps, another for chat, something else for your itinerary. It gets messy fast. That's why the first thing that we are going to do is build a simple, unified layout that builds everything together in one place. Something with clean design, smooth navigation, and mobile-friendly from the start. Here is the prompt that we'll give to Replit to make that happen. Create a full-featured travel companion web app with a clean, mobile-friendly UI. Include pages for nearby trips, match, groups, feed, messages, and profile. Use a sidebar or bottom nav to switch between sections. This prompt sets the tone for the entire experience. Replit generates individual components and routes for each core section like nearby, trips, match, groups, feed, messages, and profile. Navigation is wired in through a responsive sidebar or bottom tab depending on screen size, making it really easy to move between different sections whether you're on a desktop or phone. Each page gets its own placeholder content for now, giving us space to build out actual features later. At this point, the UI is already clean and modern, and the routing between sections is seamless. Before we move forward, we have to make sure that the navigation works as expected, links direct properly, and everything scales smoothly across devices. With the layout locked in, we are ready to start layering in real features. When you're in a new place, knowing who's nearby can completely change your experience. You might find other solo travelers to grab lunch with, a spontaneous local hangout, or even travel group planning, something for the weekend. Here, we're giving users the ability to discover what and who is around them. We'll use this exact prompt to build it out. Build a nearby page that uses the user's geolocation to show nearby solo travelers, travel groups, and hangouts. Each result should display a name, profile photo, distance, and a quick preview. Allow users to choose a location as well. This sets up a dynamic card-based nearby page that pulls real-time location data to surface nearby profiles and groups. Each card includes a name, distance, and short intro so other users can instantly get a feel for who's around. And to make it more flexible, we're also adding a manual location option to make it perfect for planning ahead or browsing other cities. The results feel interactive and alive, and it's more than just a static directory, it's the starting point for the real connections on the road. Now, we all can agree that travel planning gets a lot easier and way more exciting when you can see who else is going where. Instead of just jotting down your own itinerary, imagine being able to discover trips already happening, browse through them, and even join one that matches your vibe. That's why I want to turn the trips page into both a planning tool and a social discovery space. To trigger the next step, we'll go with this prompt. Improve the trips page where users can create their own travel plans by entering a destination, travel dates, and description. Also, allow users to browse and join public trips creators Replit starts by building a clean trip creation form where users can now input their destination, peak dates, and leave optional notes or tabs. A public trip feed also starts to take shape, showing trips from other users, which is sortable by date or location. We also have a join trip button now, so users can request to join a public trip or get added instantly depending on how it's set up. Each trip includes a full detailed view showing everything from the itinerary to who's going, giving users a clear picture before they decide to join. So now the trips page works exactly the way it should, wherein you can plan your own trips, explore what others are doing, and jump in when something fits. Here's the thing, swiping isn't just for dating apps anymore. It's actually a super intuitive way to meet people that you might want to travel with. If you're heading to Thailand in November and someone else has the same plan and vibe, why not connect? We're going to unlock this next feature, quick swipe-based matching for travelers. We'll keep things moving with this prompt. The match feature should be a swipe-based travel buddy matching feature. Users can swipe left or right on travelers' cards based on shared destinations and travel interests. If both users swipe right, it's a match. Replit responds by creating a stack of swipeable cards, each one showing a user's details and destination tags and also a common travel stop. As users swipe left or right, the app records their preferences. When two people both swipe right on each other, a match animation triggers and a modal pops up to confirm the connection. Behind the scenes, the logic tracks mutual interests and stores matches for future messaging. While we haven't added filters just yet, like age range or travel styles, that's something that we can build in later as the app grows. After matching with a few travel buddies, it's only natural to want a space where you can actually connect beyond just one-on-one chats. That's why I want to introduce community travel groups. You may be heading to Tokyo next month or just landed in Lisbon. Joining a local group makes it way easier to find hangouts, events, or last-minute plans with like-minded people. Here's how we'll instruct Replit to build this part. Improve the groups page where users can create or join local travel groups for specific cities and regions. Each group should have an activity feed and a list of upcoming group hangouts and meetups. Replit gets to work building the group creation flow, allowing users to start new groups by entering a city, name, and a short description. It also automatically services groups based on the user's current location, so relevant communities are always front and center. Inside each group, there is now a dedicated homepage with a social style feed where users can post updates, travel photos, and general updates. And below that, there is a new section for group events and hangouts. Travelers can RSVP, check how many people are attending, and even see what's coming up next in the itinerary. This update transforms the groups page from a static list profile system with editable bios, photo upload, travel interests, current location, and upcoming travel plans. Profile should also allow toggling location visibility. This creates a centralized, mobile-friendly hub for user identity. The layout includes a user avatar, an optional cover image, an editable bio, selectable travel tags, and a list of trips pulled out from the trip section, and a toggle to hide or show location publicly. Everything is designed to be easy to update and visually clean, especially on mobile. Alright, we're almost done with our build, and most apps these days offer some kind of premium upgrade, and if you've ever paid for one, you're probably expecting something clean, smooth, fast, and clearly worth the price. I want to integrate here a clean Stripe integration that lets users upgrade without any friction, while also giving them something extra to enjoy right away. To get that working, here's the prompt we'll give Replit. Add Stripe integration for premium subscriptions. Use Stripe test checkout. Once triggered, Replit sets up the Stripe test environment and builds out the full checkout flow using test cart inputs. After a successful transaction, it automatically updates the user's account with a premium badge and unlocks exclusive features or buttons throughout the app. This way, users now can immediately see and feel the value of upgrading. With all that in place, the monetization layout is now fully functional and the app is finally ready to go live. So, we've taken a travel app idea that's already making tens of thousands a month and fully rebuilt it feature by feature without writing a single line of code. Remember the app that I showed you at the beginning of this video? The one that's dominating the App Store right now? What we've built here is a complete replica and a proof that with the right tools, you don't need a dev team or user experience to compete at that level. If you're ready to stop just thinking about launching an app and actually build one, now's the time. And don't forget, my code Cindy gets you a 10% off full access to the Replit agent. Links are in the description down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and